Hello everyone. Today, I am excited to delve into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and its transformative impact on drug discovery. As we navigate through this presentation, we will uncover the potential of AI in revolutionizing the pharmaceutical sector and the groundbreaking innovations it promises. This presentation is brought to you by Dense Layer AI. As we set the stage, let's start by pondering a fundamental question. How many organic molecules are possible in total? The sheer diversity and complexity of molecular structures is mind-boggling. To give you a sense of scale, the GDB-17, which is one of the largest publicly available chemical databases, contains an astounding 166.4 billion molecules, each composed of up to 17 atoms. And this is just a glimpse into the vast realm of possibilities. This table here showcases various molecule datasets and their respective molecule counts. As we can observe, the magnitude of data we are dealing with is immense, and sifting through such a vast volume of information manually would be next to impossible. This is where AI can play a pivotal role, providing us with efficient tools to navigate and harness this immense molecular diversity. Let's now shift our focus to understand the traditional process of drug discovery and development. It's a long and intricate journey that typically spans between 10 to 15 years and can cost upwards of $1 billion. Why, you might ask, does it take so long and cost so much? To break it down, identifying a disease. The process starts with pinpointing a specific disease that needs attention, based on factors like prevalence, severity, and the absence of effective treatments. Targeting a protein. Once a disease is identified, scientists need to understand its underlying causes at a molecular level. This often involves singling out a specific protein or target that plays a crucial role in the disease manifestation. Finding the right molecule. The final step is to find a molecule that can effectively interact with the identified target protein to either inhibit or enhance its function, and thereby treat the disease. Each of these stages poses its own unique set of challenges, which are further magnified by the vast molecular universe we saw in the previous slide. With such complexities, one can easily appreciate the potential of AI in streamlining and optimizing this intricate process. As we dig deeper into the realm of drug discovery, it becomes evident that the integration of computational methods offers a plethora of opportunities. The computational drug discovery industry is not just about designing drugs or predicting molecular interactions, but it also encompasses a holistic understanding of global health dynamics. Global disease trends. By analyzing data, we can identify diseases that are rapidly affecting populations across the world. This knowledge helps in prioritizing research efforts towards conditions with growing needs. The need for better drugs. Even for diseases that already have treatments available, there's always a question: can we do better? Can we develop drugs with fewer side effects, or drugs that are more effective or accessible? Data-driven insights. This is where computational methods truly shine. By examining population studies, drug sales, doctor visits, and market surveys, we can gain invaluable insights into existing gaps in the healthcare landscape. R&D expenditure analysis. By evaluating R&D spends across biotechnology and pharmaceutical companies, we can ascertain industry trends, focus areas, and potential collaboration or investment opportunities. Pharmacovigilance. One of the significant concerns in drug development is adverse drug reactions. Computational methods can help in early prediction of such reactions, leading to safer drugs. Additionally, understanding reasons behind canceled clinical trials can inform and improve future research endeavors. In essence, the computational drug discovery landscape is vast and varied, offering numerous entry points and opportunities for involvement and innovation. For those looking to make an impact, this is a golden age. Zooming into one of the critical phases of drug discovery, we focus on the identification of proteins, often referred to as targets, which play a significant role in the manifestation of diseases. Identifying the right target is foundational for developing effective drugs. Collating relevant data. In today's data-driven age, We're fortunate to have a wealth of information spanning genomics, proteomics, systems biology, and pathway analysis. However, having data is one thing. Being able to efficiently access and use it is another. This is where data lakes come into play, pooling diverse data assets into an accessible reservoir. Breaking down data silos. Historically, data assets often existed in isolated silos, making holistic analysis challenging. Modern computational methods prioritize the breakdown of these silos to promote interdisciplinary research and insights. Advanced data operations. With these consolidated resources, scientists and researchers can perform a range of operations like joining disparate datasets, comprehensive searches, and aggregate analysis, all of which can unveil deeper insights into protein behaviors and interactions. Assessing data utility. Not all data is created equal. It's essential to evaluate the utility of various data sources for quantitative modeling. By distinguishing between high-value and low-value data, we can ensure more accurate and predictive models. Through the intelligent amalgamation and assessment of data, we position ourselves in a vantage point, allowing us to choose the best protein targets for drug development. And as we'll see, AI and computational methods are instrumental in this process. Having identified our protein target, the subsequent challenge is to identify a molecule that will effectively interact with this target. This is a nuanced endeavor, interweaving the domains of chemistry and informatics, particularly leveraging the power of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Molecular feature engineering. Just as we might describe a car by its color, make, model, and horsepower, molecules too have features. These are derived from their structure and properties. Feature engineering is about selecting the most informative and relevant aspects of these molecules to train our models. AI/ML for bioactivity profiles. Once we've defined our features, we employ AI and ML models to predict how different molecules might behave, their bioactivity profiles. Will they bind to our target protein? Will they inhibit it or enhance its activity? Molecular feature stores. These are essentially vast repositories where molecular features are stored and cataloged. Think of them as giant libraries containing detailed descriptions of countless molecules, ready for analysis. Feature selection metrics. Not all features are equally useful. By employing various metrics, we can hone in on the features that are most predictive and relevant for our modeling tasks. Model development and insights. Building an AI/ML model isn't just about prediction accuracy. It's also about understanding which features are driving predictions. What are the key molecular characteristics that make a molecule a good fit for our target protein? Molecule assessment using AI/ML. Lastly, AI and ML don't just help us predict potential drug candidates. They also shed light on the why, elucidating the reasons why certain molecules might be more promising than others. In essence, leveraging AI/ML doesn't just make the process of finding effective molecules faster. It makes it smarter, paving the way for innovative drug candidates with higher probabilities of success. We've traversed through the intricate phases of drug discovery and seen the sheer magnitude of molecular diversity. I often encapsulate this entire odyssey with a simple analogy. AI-enabled drug discovery is a search problem executed on computers using data and algorithms. A search, not in the vastness of our physical world, but within the colossal digital libraries of molecular data. The essence of the search. At the heart of this process, we are on a quest to find that one molecule, or perhaps a few, out of billions, by meticulously analyzing its structure, its inherent properties, and most crucially, its relationship with our chosen targets. Understanding relationships and influences. It's not just about finding a molecule that merely connects with a target. The relationship's nature is vital. Does the molecule inhibit or enhance the target? Moreover, to what extent? For instance, consider the example here. We are seeking molecules that inhibit the TGF-beta receptor type 1, a specific target. But we further refine our search by looking at the degree of inhibition, as quantified by metrics like the IC50 value, which in this case, we desire to be moderate. The AI advantage. This search is intricate, demanding precision and speed. Traditional methods would be painstakingly slow and might not even guarantee success. With AI, we supercharge this search, optimizing it to quickly home in on promising candidates while also offering insights into the molecular intricacies and interactions. In essence, AI doesn't just empower the drug discovery process. It redefines it, making it more efficient, accurate, and insightful. Building on our understanding of the search for effective molecules, let's delve into the actual process of making informed decisions using machine learning. It's somewhat akin to sifting through a vast library, trying to find books that a specific reader might like. But here our books are molecules and our readers are protein targets. Start with known activity. Among the multitude of molecules available, a select few have known interactions with specific targets. These molecules have been studied and their bioactivities have been experimentally measured. Think of them as our reference guides. As visualized here, the molecules encased in the green boxes are our known entities. These are the molecules for which we have concrete, experimentally measured bioactivity data for certain targets. The power of learning from features. Every molecule, whether inside or outside these green boxes, possesses a unique set of features derived from its structure and properties. Machine learning thrives on these features. By studying the molecules with known target activity, we can train an ML model to recognize patterns, similarities, and differences. Constructing the model. With our training data in hand, we employ various ML techniques to build a model. This model then becomes our intelligent tool, capable of predicting the bioactivity of other molecules that haven't been experimentally tested yet. In a nutshell, the molecules inside the green boxes serve as our teachers, imparting lessons on molecular interactions. Our ML model, once trained, then graduates to predict and assess the vast world of molecules outside these boxes, accelerating the drug discovery process. Often, when we discuss AI in drug discovery, it's essential to recognize its nature as a multifaceted challenge. At its core, it's a data science problem, but it's applied to the intricate realms of chemistry, biology, and the relationships between the two, which together influence the state of diseases. Let's break down this image to better appreciate the intricacies. The molecule and its features. On one side, we have a molecule. But every molecule can be characterized by various features. Think of these features as individual identifiers or fingerprints. For instance, the Morrow-Brodeau count gives us insights into its topology, the H-atom count into its composition, and the Geary coefficient into its spatial distribution. These features, among others, collectively create a unique profile for our molecule. The target. On the other side, we have our target protein, in this case, the TGF-beta receptor 1-foot. It's essential to understand that each target has its own role in biological processes and can influence the progression or suppression of diseases. The prediction challenge. Bridging these two domains is our prediction challenge. Given the features of our molecule and our understanding of the target, can we predict how they'll interact? The IC50 value is one such metric that measures the inhibitory effect of our molecule on the target. A lower IC50 indicates a stronger inhibitory effect, suggesting the molecule might be a potent inhibitor of that target. In essence, AI in drug discovery is about leveraging data science to connect the dots between the chemical world of molecules, the biological world of protein targets, and their potential interrelationships. The goal? To modulate diseased states, paving the way for therapeutic interventions. Building upon what we explored in the previous slide, the world of drug discovery isn't static. It's vibrant, expanding, and continuously evolving. The growing molecular landscape. As evident from the image, there isn't just one molecule of interest. There are countless molecules, each with its own unique set of descriptors. These molecular descriptors, which are the numerical values or calculations derived from chemical structures, aren't limited to just a few. They number in the thousands and, what's more, scientists are constantly inventing new ones to better capture the intricacies of these molecules. The surge in bioactivity data. Concurrently, our understanding of how these molecules interact with targets is also burgeoning. As labs across the world experiment, they uncover new bioactivity data, and this wealth of information is frequently shared with the broader scientific community through publications. Here's a glimpse of such data. The data frame showcases values of molecular features for multiple molecules, a testament to the growing repository of knowledge in this field. With an ever-expanding universe of molecular data, the role of AI and ML becomes even more critical. The evolution of AI/ML algorithms. Just as we're discovering new molecular descriptors and accumulating more bioactivity data, the algorithms that process this data are constantly improving. Every advancement makes them more precise, more efficient, and better suited for the challenges of drug discovery. The power of AI explainability. AI isn't just a black box churning out predictions. Modern AI, especially in a field as critical as drug discovery, is explainable. What does this mean? It means that when AI suggests a molecule might be a potent drug candidate, it can also shed light on why. It offers insights into the molecular features that correlate with a target's modulation. For the pharmaceutical industry, this is transformative. It's not just about finding potential drug candidates. It's about understanding the why behind those choices, allowing for more informed decisions, deeper insights, and facilitating further research. In sum, as our molecular universe expands and as AI/ML technology progresses, the synergy between the two promises groundbreaking advancements in the realm of drug discovery. As we traverse this vast landscape of molecules and their interactions, a significant challenge emerges. There are countless molecules for which we don't have experimentally measured bioactivity data. While labs around the world are continuously generating new data, the sheer magnitude of potential molecules far outpaces our capacity to experimentally test each one. This is where the AI-trained model, symbolized by this torchlight, comes into play. Think of it as a powerful tool that can illuminate the properties and potential of these unseen molecules. Predictive power. Our trained model, having learned from the vast repositories of data about known molecules and their bioactivities, can now predict the bioactivity of molecules we haven't yet tested in the lab. It can estimate how a molecule might interact with a specific target, providing invaluable insights and drastically reducing the number of molecules that need to be physically tested. Zooming in on potential candidates. Instead of groping in the dark, our AI torchlight shines a focused beam on promising candidates. As represented in the image, only a select few molecules are illuminated. These are the ones our model predicts to have noteworthy bioactivity, making them prime candidates for further exploration. In essence, leveraging AI in drug discovery is like having a guide in an enormous, intricate maze. It doesn't just accelerate our journey but ensures that we're headed in a promising direction, paving the way for innovative drug discoveries while conserving resources. In the world of drug discovery, while uncovering the secrets of existing molecules is crucial, there's another horizon that beckons: the creation of entirely new molecular structures. And this is where variational autoencoders, or VAEs, come into the spotlight. Understanding VAEs. At its core, a VAE is a type of deep learning model designed for data generation. It captures the underlying distribution of the data it's trained on, allowing it to produce new data that's in line with the original distribution. Molecular blueprinting. Let's relate this to our domain of interest. When a VAE is trained on good molecules, those known to have desirable properties or interactions, it understands the inherent features and structures that make these molecules good. Armed with this knowledge, it can generate entirely new molecular structures that, theoretically, share these desirable traits. Unlocking potential. This process isn't just about reproducing what we already know. It's about unlocking doors to molecular configurations we might not have even considered. By leveraging the power of VAEs, we can potentially discover molecules with optimized properties, superior target affinities, or even entirely novel mechanisms of action. In a realm as complex as drug discovery, where every new molecule could be the next big breakthrough, VAEs offer a tantalizing promise: the ability to create, innovate, and explore molecular spaces previously uncharted, and all of this, grounded in the wisdom of molecules we already understand and trust. As we journey deeper into the role of AI in drug discovery, it's crucial to grasp the structured workflow that turns raw data into actionable insights. Here's a breakdown of the methodical steps that shape this transformative process. Data aggregation. Begin by collecting data that's publicly available. This treasure trove consists of molecules and their recorded properties against specific targets. Imagine this as laying down the foundation for our vast molecular library. Feature extraction. With our data in hand, the next step involves extracting features that encapsulate the essence of each molecule. While there are countless features to consider, some, like fingerprints, solubility, and atomic complexity, stand out due to their profound implications for drug interactions and behavior. Unleashing AI. Armed with a feature-rich dataset, it's time to deploy the power of large AI models. Using complex neural network architectures, these models dive deep into the data, recognizing patterns, understanding molecular behaviors, and making predictions about untested molecules. Gleaning insights. But AI doesn't stop at predictions. By diving deep into the model's workings, we can report which molecular features are most correlated with desired therapeutic outcomes. This offers a lucid understanding of what makes a molecule promising, allowing for refined searches and targeted research. In-depth analytics. Finally, we don't just look at individual molecules in isolation. Through extensive analytics, insights are derived both at the granular molecule level and broader molecular groups. This dual lens offers pharmaceutical R&D multiple levers, from honing in on specific hit molecules to understanding overarching trends that guide preclinical analyses. In summary, this structured workflow is the bridge between vast datasets and the precise, informed decisions that drive innovative drug discovery. By following this path, we optimize our chances of finding the next generation of therapeutic agents. In our journey today, we've traversed the vast and intricate landscape of AI's role in drug discovery. As we've seen, integrating AI and ML into this complex workflow isn't just about leveraging technology. It's about reshaping the very essence of how we discover, develop, and deliver life-saving drugs. Dense layer AI stands at the forefront of this transformative shift. With a deep understanding of both the domain and cutting-edge AI/ML technologies, our team is uniquely positioned to craft a tailored AI strategy for your drug discovery workflow. Whether you're looking to optimize existing processes, implement new AI-driven methodologies, or simply explore the potential that AI holds for your research, dense layer AI is your partner in this endeavor. By integrating modern AI/ML technologies into every facet of the drug discovery pipeline, we not only streamline research but amplify its potential, ensuring that every effort is directed towards the most promising molecular candidates and therapeutic pathways. If you're as passionate about revolutionizing drug discovery as we are, and if you're keen on harnessing the unparalleled capabilities of AI in this journey, then we invite you to reach out. For inquiries, collaborations, or just to discuss the future of drug discovery, please drop us a line at contact@denselayer.ai. Let's shape the future of pharmaceuticals together, with AI as our compass. Thank you for your time and attention today. We look forward to potentially working together and making transformative strides in the world of drug discovery.